Hey, welcome back to the vlogs. So today, what am I talking about? You're thinking, oh, the description box is so, does it tell you? Does the title tell you? The title tells you. So I bought some super cheap exercise yoga clothes off of Amazon. And the yoga pants were between $5 and $7 each. And I thought I'll try these out because I do exercise a lot. And I wear yoga pants around the house a lot, just as something, I'll do yoga pants and a shirt or something. I only have like, I don't know, two pairs of yoga pants, I guess, that are full length. And I thought maybe I should buy a couple more because I do wear them all the time. And I'm going to give you my review of them. What do I think? So the first pair are these blue ones. And I love the color. The first thing I saw when I take them out of the package was the color. I just think they are beautiful and bright and they make me think of spring. And I kind of like wearing something a little bit brighter sometimes. Not neon, but cheerier, more colorful. When I'm exercising in the winter or spring when it's still kind of, a little dark out. And it just kind of cheers me up, right, to not wear all black. So I really love the color. I wasn't super impressed with the quality, but for $5 I think that it's perfectly fine quality. The seaming is a little thick. It's kind of obvious it's not sewn in super well, so I don't think it's gonna last a super long time. And the waistband is a little buckly, like there's more fabric than stretch. It's not super well stitched over it. I will say I got a medium, and I'm generally like a medium or a small, depending on, how sizing works. And this is super, super small. I would say that this is the size of probably an extra small or a very small small. I'm almost tempted to reorder it as like maybe a large or an extra large because it's really small. It fits it because it's stretchy, but it doesn't, it's small. I would order up 2 sizes from your regular size if you're gonna get these. I do like the material. It's lightweight, it's nice, it's not too thick. I'm curious to see how well this lasts. I don't think it's going to last a really long time, but I may be wrong. I don't know. But I've really enjoyed wearing them. I'm getting my $5 worth out of them. Absolutely. If I knew what I knew now, I would definitely order them up a different size because I ordered it up. What I was thinking based on the measurements, I ordered it up a size. I should have ordered it up at least 2 sizes based on measurement, not just the small, medium, large word definition. But I like these. I think they're pretty. And the second pair I got, I was disappointed with. They're these gray, and I love kind of the gray-black combo. You can just wear it with everything. I frequently wear these kind of yoga pants, leggings, exercise pantalones, just as pants with like a tunic or, sometimes just a regular shirt. But this one came, and it came with a pretty sizable hole right in the crotch, which, like, when you're doing yoga up in the air at the gym, you don't really want to be like, hello, how are you? No, nobody wants to see that. So I did email the person that sold this on Amazon, and they did they're in the process of refunding it, but they won't send a replacement item, which is a little disappointing because I'd like to be able to, wear them more. And again, super small in size. I really am tempted to just return both of them and get them in a bigger size because while they're fun and they're a great deal, this was $7, this was $5, they're great. I think it would be nice to have a bigger size and have the sizing be more accurate because I think the sizing is really inaccurate. Quality overall, you get what you pay for, right? Go up, buy a $20 pair of yoga pants and probably they're going to last longer. Maybe not though, I hear stories about really expensive $100 plus pair of yoga pants, and sometimes they fray too. So just check it out, let it, use your power of return if you want. I like them. I think it's fun to experiment with less expensive exercise gear because it gets you exercising, it gets you out, it gets you motivated. Oh, I have this new exercise pants or this new sports bra, this new top, and I'm gonna go work out a little more. So whatever motivates you, I think is worthwhile. Play around with that. If you have a small budget, or hey, even if you have a big budget and you just want to test out different styles, check out what's cheaper, you know? So I also bought a multi-pack of these fun sports bras. I really like them. They're well molded to my body. They aren't too tight. I think I went up a size in these, didn't I? Yes, I got a medium. Whereas kind of, I think probably I'm more smallish often. Yeah, probably. And I went up a size because as breastfeeding mama, I really dislike anything pinching on me. I mean, I do anyway, but especially for breastfeeding. So it still holds everything up, but it's not like crushing my rib cage. It's very comfy. It's got nice double straps. And they stretch out well, so they'll stretch across my collarbone instead of cutting me into the neck. And I think these were really fun. I think I got the 6-pack for $30. So that's a really great deal for the sports bras, and I go through and wear them all the time. They're really comfy. I can breastfeed in them. I love these. I thought these were a great deal. I highly recommend them. They're just nice to have, and it inspires me. And certainly I've worn through some exercise gear because I've just worn it so much. So it's nice to have things that I can layer too. I can throw on the yoga pants, I can throw on the sports bra and a shirt, go to the gym and then throw on a jacket and be presentable and maybe go grocery shopping afterwards, right? And it's just nice. So I think it's fun to play around on the internet and find what are great deals on things, I remember I bought a pair of gloves off of AliExpress once for maybe $4 or $5, and I still wear them. They're really comfy. They aren't super warm, but they're comfy and they're cute and they're really stylish. And I like finding great bargains online, right? That's part of the reason I shop online versus, I try to support local stores too. Although I will say so many local stores are chains. It's hard to differentiate, right? But diversify where I'm spending things. And then also just play online and see what are great deals. What are fun shops that are just starting out that you can order from. So until next time, feel free. Take a look at all my books on Amazon. Romance. You can see some of my other exercise vlogs on the Wholesome Feed, my other channel on YouTube. And until next time, thank you all so much for subscribing or following along and just kind of, hey, enjoying as we turn into spring.